So that was Death Becomes Her, and I gotta say, I really like that. It was such a fun ride. It wasn't full of laughs all the way through, but there are enough of them to definitely brand this as a comedy and like a horror comedy type film. So it definitely fit that genre. I don't know if it's the first of its kind or not. I haven't seen lots of horror comedies. Sure. What is coming to my mind is Happy Death Day 1 and Happy Death Day 2. Um, if there are others, they're just not coming to me right now. But yeah, okay, so very, like I said, very fun ride. Goldie Hawn, Meryl Streep, Bruce Willis, acting talents, marvelous, marvelous, marvelous actors, and the directing by Robert Zemeckis, though, and the filming, the angle, the cinematography, beautiful. I love the choices of like angles for certain shots and like the moving cameras where like he's coming up the stairs and then it pans and then you see down below and all of that. Magnificent. Dude was an amazing. I think he's still alive. Yeah, an amazing filmmaker. I've seen Forrest Gump from him. What else has he done?